So if we throw on a price to earnings multiple, okay, PE right now for Lululemon, as of the close day, it was 14. After this drop in the after hours, you're trading at 12.35. Dirt cheap. There's only been one other cheaper time in Lululemon's entire stock market history where it was cheaper on a PE multiple. And what type of area was that? That is having to scroll all the way back. Let me just go to the weekly chart, but it's having to scroll all the way back to your GFC crisis. So Lululemon really was the only time it was cheaper was back here during your GFC crisis all the way in 2008, 2009. So I think although Lululemon is under a lot of pressure in the after hours, it makes sense to get your feet a little wet, not saying go full port, but this is still a household name that's likely eventually going to turn it around. Maybe they're going to announce some sort of a partnership, just like American Eagle did with Sydney Sweeney, which obviously could catch a little bit of momentum. But when you're buying the cheapest on a price to earnings multiple for since the GFC crisis, that is a pretty big level in my opinion, just to start accumulating some long positions. Now, we also have AVGO Broadcom that is reporting, and this is an institutional semiconductor stock. Basically, Broadcom right now is still very, very expensive, but they beat both the top and bottom line. EPS coming in at $1.69, 9.74% beat. Revenue coming in at $15.95 billion versus the estimate of $15.83 billion. Right now, it had a wick down, a wick up. It's kind of just staying flat and muted as it looks like institutions are trying to do a bit of an IV crush on this name. Again, this name is very important to the overall semiconductor market. The SOXX, it does have a huge weighting in the overall SOXX, so definitely pay close attention to Broadcom, how it shapes up. Its Q4 2025 EPS estimate is $1.68, and its revenue is $16.99 billion. So they're still showing consistent growth. They're still trying to grow both the top and bottom line, and we'll see if they can live up to those expectations. Please give this video a like down below, and we will see you on the charts a little bit later.